Well, hello again, everybody. I'm Bryan Diehl, and it's time to go on another Pacific Northwest adventure. Today we're going to head up what is called the Whale Trail along the south side of the Strait of Juan to Fuca. We're going to leave Port Angeles, drive for about an hour and a half out to Cape Flattery on the Makah Indian Reservation at Neah Bay. Along the way, a lot of nice beaches, places to stop. Once you're there, there's about a 1.5 mile hike through this beautiful rainforest. Very well maintained. You have to stay on the path, but there's plenty to look at just along the path. Beautiful streams, beautiful trees, ferns. So much eye candy all the way to the observation decks. Well, we're getting close now. We're starting to see the water between the trees. And we approach our first observation deck. This one looks out over the Strait of Juan to Fuca. You'll be able to see Vancouver Island, Canada, across the straits, and the beautiful, rugged north side of Cape Disappointment, or Cape Flattery. Cape Disappointment was my other favorite park. Now we're going to walk across the little peninsula here and look south at the Pacific Ocean and the rugged Pacific coast. This is a really spectacular location. It's the farthest north and farthest west corner of the lower 48. The elements out here are brutal, but the forest survives, and the wildlife is amazing. This is a great place to see whales. We didn't get to see any today, but that's because we're kind of out of season. Get here in April and May, pretty good chance of it. Now we're looking at Tatoosh Island. And that's Vancouver Island. And there's the caves that we looked at when we first got to the first observation deck. On the way back up, we'll be going a little slower because it's really uphill. But that allows you to really take a look at the beauty that just surrounds every part of Cape Flattery. Thanks for coming along today. I hope this inspires you to go out and see Cape Flattery for yourself. Thanks again for watching. And if you enjoyed this type of content, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Thanks again.